So here's the plan, the digital real estate plan, the billionaire plan. How we're going to build our billions together. Digital real estate, using your computer, Wi-Fi, a cell phone, you can make it happen. Showing value and providing value, building brands with this AI, artificial intelligence. Leverage the tools. If the Chris Bosh Foundation was established today in Toronto, Ontario, with Chris Bosh being one of the NBA All-Star at Toronto, Ontario, and then playing with that Miami Heat with NBA basketball, it was amazing being able to be his business coordinator for 7 years and coordinating the Chris Bosh Foundation, growing young minds, educating the young minds to grow in the opportunity of space of life, giving them opportunities like workshops and basketball camps and giving them those different things and seeing them 20 years later. Shane Reeder, grown man, downtown Toronto, Ontario, working as a commercial real estate, a realtor, and probably following in the footsteps of Adrian Mays, mortgage broker, with being the Change LLC, but I won't take the consideration for that one. But the key thing is, the great thing is the growth. It starts with the education. It starts with the mind, setting yourself from the competition. We'll start now. Why not? There's no reason to stop, no hesitation. If you don't have it right today, there's always tomorrow. Having that billionaire mindset and that motivation will take you and your brand to the next level. So do that with Canton, SEO Change Digital Marketing, co-founder Adrian Mays. I will definitely help you get you to the next level, as money is a tool. The money is in the research that'll set you apart from the competition. Generating those leads with AI-driven tools, being able to have your target audience for those paid advertising and organic advertising opportunities, building those products and brands and services that you represent. You only have one brand, and the brand that Canton SEO Change Digital Marketing wants to represent: transparency, support, help, and wanting to make sure that we lead you to the direction of action and change that only you can make by taking action. So if you want to actually grow in this online space and learn in an ongoing changing environment of AI, from Detroit to Toronto, being able to grow and see billionaires as Richard Petty, the owner of the Scotiabank Arena, seeing the Maple Leafs and seeing Ripley's, believe it or not, you can believe that you can be the change. As high as that CN Tower in Toronto, Ontario, or as beautiful as